Hi, welcome to this video. I'm gonna guide you through how to schedule Instagram posts for free natively. You can schedule Instagram posts and Reels for free natively using the Instagram mobile app. So I'm gonna hit the plus button at the top left and choose whether you want to create a reel or a post or normal post. Let's say a normal post. Let's say this one right here. Next, continue. Add your captions and hashtags or polls if you need to. Location, tag people, right? And before publishing, hit more options. Turn on schedule this reel. Select the date and time, right? And basically, once you select the date and time, you're gonna go back and hit schedule. So you can schedule up to 75 plus basically content. Consider liking this video, subscribe it really helps with the channel. Till next time, see you.